When you're feeling stuck, move, and you're over here like, thank you, Captain Obvious. Listen, this world encourages us to force, to not give up. It respects hustle. But if you're problem solving or doing something creative, brainstorming, it's almost like the more you force it, especially if nothing's working, and you know when you've been in that space and it just feels like ideas are heard and everything feels heard, the more and more you force and stay in that, you get like angry and irritated, and the amount of possibilities feel like they're shrinking. And it feels like everything becomes more limited and limited and limited. So just get the hell up and move. Move your body, move spaces, get out the house, move, like exercise, clean, declutter, dance, call a friend, go out with a friend, move spaces where you're working, go work around people, go work by yourself. Just move and let this live in the back of your head. Put it on your body like a tattoo, because it is our default go-to to try more and hustle more and not give up. And that's not always the answer. Sure, there is a time and place for hustle, and I mean, not if you ask me. But thinking back to all of my best ideas, they came when I wasn't forcing them. I was on a walk and the idea popped into my head, or I was just so fed up and I gave up and I put it down for the day, and I'm going for a drive and the idea just pops into my head. Or I'm cleaning and again I've just like set it down and I'm so over it. I'm like, I'm just not dealing with it for the rest of the day. Cleaning, listening to some music, idea pops into my head, which makes sense because when you're doing things that are very repetitive, driving, laundry, dishes, exercising, and cleaning are really common ones, your brain goes into the state where it's a lot easier for those things to kind of just boop. And so when you are doing those things and you get those ideas, listen to them like the stoplight, add it to your notes, and act on those at some point, because those are the little gifts you've been looking for. But especially when you're problem solving or something super stressful and bad happens, I have been through this. Eviction notices, huge IRS bills, where it absolutely ruins your day, and it feels like you want to figure it out, you want to fix it, but now you're stressed and it feels like your world is ending, and you just want to scream and cry and also try and figure it out. Whenever I've been in that, I just walk away. Okay, it's not going to get fixed today. I'll figure it out another day. I'll come back to it and go have some fun. Move your body, maybe take a nap. Nap was a good one. Shut your brain off. Just walk away, and then I'll come back the next day. And I'm rested, got my energy back up, and I'm now full of possibilities. Or maybe an idea popped into my head when I put it down for the day. But just be more open to that, to walking away, giving it a break, moving spaces. I believe it's the answer a lot more than hustling and forcing. Especially you beautiful, creative people. You should be open to it being more fun. And you can also learn how to get into that fun state. For me, music really helps. I know I need to be fed. I know, like, one of my needs is one of my favorite drinks in the morning. I need it. I need a good caffeine. I need to be fed. When I'm feeling good, I am better in life. I have more energy. I'm happier. I'm received better. I receive myself better. Like, I know all these things that are a recipe to get into that space where I'm more willing to be creative and be in that fun little space. So from Captain Obvious herself, if you're feeling stuck, move. It'll change your life. I know what I'm talking about.